In this two-part video series, I'm going to share some of my favorite money hacks that are working right now in 2021. So let's not waste any time and get started on these real-life hacks for people who want more out of their bank account. 1. Bank sign-up bonuses. Banks provide welcome bonuses to new customers. If you've ever contemplated switching banks or creating a new account, now is a great moment to do it. Especially if I tell you that you might be eligible for a sign-up bonus. Most banks will gladly give you a sign-up bonus if you open an account with them. Consider it a method of sweetening the pot. Because they want your business, they are willing to entice you with a bonus. Banks usually require you to deposit a minimum amount into your account for a few months in exchange for cash benefits. Signing up for the following accounts may qualify you for incentives or free money. HSBC Advanced Checking Account $350, HSBC Premier Checking $750, Chase Bank Total Checking $200, Chase Savings $150, Discover Online Savings $150 to $200, Bank of America $100, Citibank $200 to $600. 2. Get a $5 sign-up bonus with Acorns. Acorns is an investment program that runs in the background and invests your spare change. Link your credit or debit card to Acorns, and the application will round up your purchases, gather the extra change, and invest it for you. If you paid $4.75 for a coffee with your connected credit debit card, Acorns will register the transaction and deposit 25 cents as spare change in your Acorns account. If your account balance hits $5, Acorns will invest it for you. For a free money hack that actually works, use Acorns. You can learn more about Acorns here and make your first $5 investment to receive a $5 incentive. 3. Resell items. Have you received a set of matching kitchenware for Christmas? Are you moving but won't be able to bring all of your belongings? Or are you merely attempting to declutter your living space? Whatever the case may be, you may always make money for free by selling things you already have but aren't using. Selling some of your stuff is an excellent way to clear your house, free up storage space, or relocate without overcrowding your new place. You can sell your items on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or even in a garage sale. Download the free Declutter app and sell your old electronics, such as iPads and iPhones, as well as CDs and DVDs, online for cash. Poshmark is another great location to go if you have any name brand fashion items or outfits to sell, such as Louis Vuitton or Michael Kors bags. To start selling, go here and download the free Poshmark app. 4. Download free money cashback apps. Cashback apps are one of the best and most convenient methods to earn free cash. Aren't you already spending money when you shop? You can reclaim some of that money if you use cashback programs, in essence reclaiming that money back as free money. Many real cashback applications will gladly reward you with free cash or gift cards if you use them. You'll almost always need to use these applications while doing online shopping or scanning your receipt when making a transaction. Several apps automatically to receive cash back from your purchases. Some of my favorite cashback apps are to receive cash back from your purchases follows. Ibotta. Ibotta has helped me save money on groceries, and I've earned over $1,000 in cash back and bonuses. Ibotta is a free app that works similarly to coupons but without the need to clip them. Scan your receipts with the app to get cash back on items like milk, meats, vegetables, bread, cleaning supplies, and more. Rakuten. You may get up to 40% cash back on your purchases when you shop online utilizing cashback websites like Rakuten. In addition, after your first $25 in Rakuten purchases, you'll receive a $10 bonus. Over 2,000 companies have partnered with them, including Amazon, Macy's, Office Depot, and many others. For my online purchases, Rakuten has given $2,000 in cash back and bonuses. 5. Get free PayPal money by testing websites. Do you want to get free PayPal cash without putting in any effort? If this is the case, companies such as UserFeel, User Testing, Respondent, and TrimYIU can assist you. These companies are searching for someone who can provide an objective assessment of a website's operation. Website testing includes things like checking how well the navigation works, commenting on the layout and color design, and trying out all of the buttons. You'll need a high-speed internet connection, as well as a webcam and microphone on your computer or laptop, because some businesses require you to express your observations during testing. You must be fluent in English. It takes around half an hour or less to complete the test, and each test pays $10. Without a doubt, testing websites is one of the top free money hacks that almost everyone can accomplish. 6. Unclaimed Money. You may have unknowingly be owed money from the government, your insurance provider, bank, or a previous owner. The most prevalent reason billions of dollars go unclaimed year after year is a change of name and address. Many people can attest to having the money they were unaware of until they began looking for it. Finding unclaimed assets isn't difficult. Fortunately, here's how to get your hands on whatever spare cash you have laying around. Unclaimed.org keeps track of unclaimed tax returns. The National Registry of Unclaimed Retirement Benefits keeps track of unclaimed retirement benefits. Missingmoney.com for old bank accounts. Demutualizationclaims.com for life insurance claims. By searching these authorized databases, you can generally uncover unclaimed funds. If someone offers help for a fee, consider it a red flag. To collect your lost money, you'll need to prove your identity. So familiarize yourself with the rules and obtain the necessary documents. 7. Buy pre-owned gift cards. Gift cards are thoughtful presents. They let you choose things and then depart without spending any money. However, if you have some gift cards to stores you don't shop in, does it mean the gift card is now useless? No, you can either sell or exchange the gift card for one that you can use. Assume you're the one on the receiving end of the deal. You can save a lot of money by purchasing resold gift cards. Some resellers, for example, may sell an $80 gift card for $65, netting you $15. Check out sites like giftcardgranny.com, monstergiftcard.com, and cardpool.com before purchasing gift cards at face value. 8. Allow Trim to save you money automatically. Trim is an AI-powered assistant that saves you money without you having to do anything. It keeps track of your spending and automates the daily process of saving money for you. It can also help you get a refund if there are any outages. Trim can also help you avoid recurring payments for things you don't need and negotiate a lower rate. It works with Comcast, Time Warner Cable, Charter, and any other provider. And it saved over $1 million last month. To watch the second video in the series, come tune in tomorrow or look for the link in description below. If you have any questions or suggestion of money hacks I can add to the list, be sure to list them below in the comments.